I'm Martina from the Customer Engagement team here at Glassdoor. I'm thrilled to guide you through the Why Work With Us section of your profile today. So, what exactly is the Why Work With Us section? Think of it as your prime real estate for showcasing your company's unique value proposition to potential candidates. This section allows you to create up to 5 customizable areas with text, videos, and photos to capture the attention of the talent you're aiming to attract. The Why Work With Us section is your chance to highlight why your company is an outstanding place to work. It's essential because candidates spend considerable time exploring this section to learn more about potential employers. It provides a unique opportunity for ultimate customization, giving job seekers insight into your company's culture, values, and what sets you apart. Here's how you can edit this section. First of all, go to your Employer Center. We'll scroll all the way up, click on Admin Tools, go to Employer Center, and from there, we'll select the Employer Profile tile. Then, we'll navigate to the Company Story tab and click on Details. From there, you can create new sections, rearrange them, and use templates to add videos, text, or embedded links. You can also preview your updates to see how they will appear at the front before making them live. When updating your Why Work With Us section, consider these best practices. Showcase your company's values. Highlight what's important to your company to give prospective candidates a clear picture of your workplace environment. Also, engage and captivate. Use eye-catching content, including photos, text, and videos to keep your job seekers engaged. Include specific highlights. You might want to feature internal initiatives like diversity and inclusion, or offer a glimpse into specific roles with tabs such as a day in the life of an engineer, or showcase new office locations. Also consider adding a personal touch. Adding a letter from your CEO or highlighting community involvement can add a personal touch and reflect your company's commitment to its values. Remember, this section is all about letting your company's unique qualities shine. Think about what makes your workplace exceptional and how you can convey that to potential candidates. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need assistance with this feature or any others, feel free to reach out to support@glassdoor.com or contact your dedicated Glassdoor support team. Thanks for watching!